अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम। इससे बड़ा जूम कॉल तो मैंने किया नहीं अपनी लाइफ में, unless it's a very boring corporate call. So I'm very happy because wow, I've got everybody from the cast of Shaitan joining us today. Gulshan, we've got Kirti, we've got Neil, we've got director Bijoy, we've got Kalki, we've got Shiv, we've got Rajiv, and we've got the music man, the one and only Prashant Pillai. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining.
Hello.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you, Rohini.
Thank you for having us.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद रोहिणी।
राजीव का एक इंटरव्यू था 10 साल पहले, और राजीव ने कहा था कि आप अगर ये फिल्म 10 साल बाद भी देखेंगे तो आपको उतनी अच्छी लगेगी। एंड गेस व्हाट राजीव, मैंने ये फिल्म 10 साल बाद देखी, और मैं 2-3 दिन पहले देखी बिकॉज आई सेड यार इतना टाइम हो गया, and it still holds up. So first of all, congratulations. ये जो 10 साल है, I want to start with this. ये जो passage of time है, how does that feel कि यार इस फिल्म को 10 साल हो गए? I'll take it around the room. राजीव तुमसे शुरू करते हैं और आगे चलते हैं।
मैं सिंपल इतना कहूंगा कि 10 साल हो गए शैतान को। तब भी मालूम था बनने के बाद, मुझे बनते वक्त मालूम था कि मैं एक कल्ट फिल्म का पार्ट हूँ। यू डिडंट नो, मतलब जब तक फिल्म बन के नहीं आई। आई थिंक मेरे लिए तो ये हुआ कि जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई उसके बाद हर साल जब लोग आपको मिलते हैं और आपको एक ऐसा फैन क्लब है शैतान का, एंड इट डजंट डाई डाउन। मतलब अभी 10 साल के बाद भी देयर आर लाइक कल्ट फॉलोअर्स ऑफ शैतान। माय वाइफ इज वन। उसको मैं बोलता हूँ क्या शैतान, तो बोलती है तेरी किस्मत थी, तूने शैतान, तू मना कर रहा था ना। सो इमेजिन आफ्टर 10 years माय वाइफ स्टिल सेज कि फॉर अस शी इज अबाउट 10 years younger to me, but she says that for us when we watched the film, I mean उसके सर्कल में even now they talk about शैतान and they remember the scenes, मतलब उनको सब सीन्स याद है। So it's great to be, हाँ मतलब अच्छा लगता है 10 साल के बाद भी आप एक, और एटलीस्ट आपको लगता है कि आप एक ऐसी फिल्म के पार्ट रहे हो जो एक कल्ट है, एंड yeah, it's a great feeling. Thanks विजय।
इससे पहले कि मैं दूसरों से बात करूं, मैं कुछ दिखाना चाहूंगी आपको। दिस इज सो मच फन, सो गाइस ब्रेसिंग अप, ओके। तो मैं कुछ फोटो दिखाऊंगी आपको।
हाँ, वो मैं
कंप्यूटर पे नहीं दिख रहे हैं, बट कैन यू सी दिस वन?
No.
the intro.
No.
Gulshan's intro. Yeah.
I missed that.
Gulshan's intro, yeah.
Kind of fear.
मतलब गुलशन, आई थिंक यू आर द ओनली पर्सन जिनको एज टच नहीं कर सकता। मतलब माशाल्लाह आज भी ऐसे ही लग रहे हो यार।
क्या बात है।
I just practice really good plastics food
habits.
Yeah, मैं भी अपने घर में खुद का गाजर वगैरह बोटक्स वगैरह खाता हूँ।
Yeah,
That
I saw
boy
that.
in the yellow chair.
Oh my god. Yeah. Saw it.
याद है कुछ इस सीन का?
सब कुछ याद है मुझे यार, एक शॉट याद है।
क्या याद है, प्लीज हमें बताओ।
कुछ नहीं यार, इसमें I mean it was one of those, हमने I think किसी स्कूल में शूट किया था, right Bijoy? This shoot part, remember Bijoy?
Which one was it? Can you show me the picture again?
Are the shooting, the catalog shoot picture,
The catalog shoot, yeah.
Yeah, it was in some school or something, and yeah, I was wearing a sari, and it was a very
our reference was sari mein sari parag sari.
It was these little moments that kind of make a character, and I think Shaitan, especially because like you just said कि 10 साल पहले बनी थी, and even when you watch it today, like it could have been a film of today's, like it's just it's not aged at all. Like,
all right, I'm going to move on to Neil. Neil, hi.
Hi.
Oh wow. I love this one. What fun the shoot was.
I think one of my favorite lines is when I think तुमने कहा था suck my dikra.
Yeah.
क्या कहा था? क्या?
Yes, suck my dikra.
Suck my dikra, yeah.
It must be Bijoy's joke.
No, that was Neil. Neil, that's you.
Neil, that's your joke. It has to be your joke.
Okay.
Bijoy doesn't have this kind of sense of humor.
Dildo
He hardly
Pagal
has a
was,
sense of humor, but yeah.
Guys, dildo pagal hai man. Dildo
That is
pagal.
definitely
That was me. That was me.
Yeah.
That was me.
Oh, that was you?
Vanity में है and we chatted about it. It's like, I got this joke for you.
अब चलते हैं इस सीन की ओर। मुझे याद है, और ये भी मुझे काफी क्लेवर लगा, क्योंकि जब शुरुआत में ही शिव के इंट्रो सीन में ही आप ये देखते हैं, शिव कहाँ गया? शिव,
Am I here?
हाँ, here you are.
Gone?
Hi, no, you're right here. शिव मुझे बताओ, व्हाट आई थॉट वाज रियली क्लेवर इज शुरुआत में ही आपका ये जो कहते हैं जुनून, मैडनेस, इज सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी कि ये बंदा कुछ भी कर सकता है, एंड यू जस्ट गो इनटू दैट ट्रांस, राइट? और फिर एंड में जब दोबारा से ये होता है, यू नो, जब आप गुलशन को मारते हो, आई सॉ दैट कम बैक देयर. सो डू यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस सीन, इस इंट्रो सीन के बारे में?
ये इंट्रो सीन, एक्चुअली द थिंग इज दिस इंट्रो सीन वाज बिकॉज ये हुआ इसलिए बिकॉज बिहाइंड द सीन्स इतना एड्रेनलिन था इस फिल्म में. Like I had, हम लोग, all the cast members had just sort of met each other. You know, Kalki was the more experienced of the lot. Kalki ने काफी सारी फिल्में कर चुकी थी, and she was sort of way more established as an actor. And we were all like newbies. And then Bijoy, I think काफी बार I think इस इंटरव्यू के दौरान आप सुनेंगे कि Bijoy की conviction, सारे actors ऐसे बोलेंगे in different, you know, sort of their interaction with him, and totally it was Bijoy's conviction that he just said, listen, this is what happens and that's what happens. And I was so new, I didn't know how to act at that. I didn't know how to act at that time, you know. So it was literally like I was told that I have to go and do this, and I just went and did it, and I didn't know how it came out, and I didn't think about the vanity aspect of it, or which are the trappings of an actor actually, as you know, and as you start acting, you know, start getting into the technicals of it, and you know how to hit your mark and all those things. This was just a raw thing that I went for it. I had no idea where the you know, where what was, and it just came out. I think it was just I think it was just very lucky, and we were just very blessed. It just came out the way it did.
It did. I still remember this scene. In fact, I want to take the next one to Kalki. I thought of many moments, लेकिन ये I think one of the most tender moments from the film are जब तुम और गुलशन actually मिलते हो, and that was shot so beautifully, almost fairy tale like.
Yeah, those swings are beautiful, no?
You know,
I didn't have my voice. Do you remember? I had lost my voice.
Ah, yeah. I don't remember.
I had to dub this one, and like I lost my voice, and it was really. ऐसे बात कर रहा था. All of you were really pulling my leg. For 2 days, I didn't have my voice, and I was shooting. And all my intro scenes, like when I meet you first, हमने ऐसे shoot किया था. मेरी आवाज ही चली गई थी, और तुम लोगों ने बड़ा मजाक उड़ाया था मेरा. पता नहीं कैसे तुम लोगों को याद.
फिर भी बहुत improvise किया तुमने. I remember ये joint account खोलोगे, वो सब. You were just like improvising.
नहीं वो improv नहीं था. वो सब dialogue लिखे हुए थे. अभिजीत के लिखे हुए dialogues थे, वो improv. अच्छा.
लेकिन कल
अभिजीत, I didn't mean to take away your.
You can see, right? You can see the image, right?
I was just going to say कि if you can see it, Bijoy, thank you so much. ये share कर रहे हैं एक behind the scenes photograph.
Kaka क्या? I'll be back.
Fantastic.
Oh shit.
Next question was going to be to Kalki के 10 साल, you know, पूरे हो गए. 10 साल में कितनी चीजें बदल गई है. अभी Kalki के
nappy बदलेगा.
गोदी अच्छा, I'm going to go to the next scene in the meantime. राजीव, ये scene मुझे बेहद पसंद है.
ओहो, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सीन था ये. एंड वो सामने जो एक्टर बैठी है वो कमाल की थी.
हाँ, उनका नाम था दिव्या शारदा. रेडियो से थी. हाँ, थी उस टाइम पर. लेकिन ये सीन मुझे बड़ा पसंद आया था क्योंकि I mean, I just loved it. It was so chic, it was so flat. लेकिन मुझे
वो ह्यूमर इतना फ्लैटली निकलता है उसके अंदर. वो करते वक्त भी, you know, आपको नहीं समझ में आया था. वो when you put together the scene, you realize that कि this, you end up smiling and you end up laughing at the plight. तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सीन था. I remember.
Fantastic. And speaking of cameos, like, which I find very interesting, यार मैं भूल ही गई थी निखिल चन्नप्पा इस फिल्म में था यार.
Of course, Nikhil.
Okay, I'm gonna take it back. I don't know if Anurag's here. Anurag, it'll be great if you can give us a sign. But मुझे एक फोन आया था, मुझे एक मैसेज आया था अनुराग से उस टाइम पर 10 साल पहले. मैं एक रेडियो स्टेशन में काम कर रही थी ऑपोजिट फीनिक्स मिल्स, एंड ही मैसेज मी सेइंग फीनिक्स आजा, यू नो. तो मैंने कहा ओके, मैं आ जाती हूँ, और मैं आई फीनिक्स मिल, एंड ही गेव मी अ बैट. ये प्रमोशन थी ऑफ शैतान, और एक गाड़ी को हमने तोड़ा. बिकॉज डू यू रिमेम्बर एक गाड़ी को स्मैश किया हमने.
Yeah. This was all idea, Rudro's idea. Yeah, Rudro was the Viacom marketing head, and it was all his ideas. And between him and Bijoy, they used to jam, and Guneet was more involved than I was. So
हाँ, गुनीत का भी कैमियो मुझे याद आ गया फिल्म देखकर. गुनीत also has a cameo. I remember that. But I'll take you back to that time. मैं 10 साल पहले जो कर रही थी, मैं I would every day get into a काली पीली और मैं जाती सायन से लोअर परेल. And my constant companion was this soundtrack, और ये मेरा शैतान था क्योंकि मैं मतलब बैठते ही उसने मीटर लगाया और अदिति रागम would start and I'd just be like, ये
My first question to Bijoy was, who is Prashant Pillai? That's the man I want to meet. He was like a hidden gem from somewhere. मुझे मिलाओ. Forever I've been wanting to work with him and finally got a chance one day.
बिल्कुल. और मुझे बहुत अमेजिंग लगा. तो प्रशांत, I'm going to take this to you, buddy. आपकी पहली फिल्म थी, in that sense. लेकिन at the same time, I remember that it was a soundtrack जहाँ पर भयानक मौत भी थे, माइकी मक्लेरी भी थे. So can you tell us a little bit about making that soundtrack collaborative? क्यों जरूरी था ये करना?
First of all, thanks for the kind words, Anurag, and thanks for inviting on this occasion. So here, this is all a chance of me squashing my ego and my judgment about some guy randomly emailing me exactly in the year 2004 saying that I'm a small filmmaker from Bombay and I run this production house called Getaway Productions and I want to work with you. I ignored his email. And exactly 4 years later, again in 2008, he emails me saying that I'm doing a short film. I would love to have you on board. And somehow something clicked and I went to meet him, and just meeting him as a person has actually where I am today in life as a music composer or as a music creator is purely because of the humbleness and the simplicity that Bijoy demonstrated that day, because I didn't want to become a film composer because all this hype and hoopla, I was not attached to it. I didn't relate to any of it because I'd struggled a lot in Bombay trying to figure out work. But just seeing that opportunity that Bijoy gave me to be myself and not try to fit in is why I'm here. Now, in terms of the soundtrack, Bijoy will have a better story to tell why we had so many music composers in the album. In short, I was new. I didn't know most of the genres of music that Bijoy was trying to attempt because Bijoy is a crazy guy in his head. And he will want to blend ideas from world over. And the beauty in that is that he's very clear in what he wants and he lets his intuition drive. Like the very first meeting that we had, Bijoy was referencing works of Ilaiyaraaja's string section, and there was a legendary music composer from Kerala called Johnson Master, and he was referring all the string section of that, and I was a guy who hated that sound because I didn't love Malayalam films, I didn't love the string section and all, and he was building up this hype, but somehow something about his way of dealing with people made me very comfortable, and I was allowed to do what I want. And when I couldn't do after a point that, I raised my hands, I said, Bijoy, I can't do any more of this, but there are few people whom I know I would love to, sneak them in. Are you willing to listen to it? And that's how we have so many beautiful, music producers, music composers, bands on this album.
Fantastic. Thank you. Bijoy, क्या आप इसके बारे में हमसे बात करना चाहेंगे?
So for me, Prashant was the composer of the film. Yeah. Prashant was the one who was going to compose for the entire film. So, and he built like a bank of tracks. He gave me so many different tracks, starting with Aditya Ragam. That was the first track that we made for Shaitan. But after a point, when I was kept pushing him for other stuff, I kept asking him what kind of stuff songs will work for this sequence and everything. He's the one, even though it's his first one, he said, why not let's try and work with other composers. Let's try and work with different composers will bring a different kind of sound to this. So the whole idea of collaborating with other musicians and music composers, despite this being his first one, came from him. It was Prashant's idea, and because of that, I've never looked back after that. After that, every film of mine, it's because of him that I keep working with so many different musicians. So, and he was there with me every step of the way, every track, everything, every single note. Prashant was part of the entire process of putting the music together. For Shaitan.
हम म्यूजिक की बात कर रहे हैं, I will never forget I mean, and rightfully so. आज तक लोग खोया खोया चांद की बात करते हैं. The way that song bursts on the screen, and I know this. I don't know कि मेरी audience को पता है कि नहीं, लेकिन पहले खोया खोया चांद वज्रदंती विको वज्रदंती होने वाला था.
There was Vico Vajradanti for the longest time.
Oh my God! And I said, wow. Let me, this story of course.
But Vico didn't agree. Vico just didn't give us the permission. We kept asking them and they just refused. And then it became Lakdi Ki Kathi. Lakdi Ki Kathi for the longest time. And then Lakdi Ki Kathi, Mikey worked it, but he himself was not happy with it. And then Mikey came back with Khoya Khoya Chand.
और फिर अनुराग ने of course, थोड़े से strings pull किए. उन्होंने डील क्रैक की थी उस टाइम पर, क्योंकि वो कर सकते थे. बहुत सारे पैसे मांगे गए, लेकिन अनुराग कश्यप आपके हाथ में इक्का था, क्योंकि आप एक्टर थे एक फिल्म में उसी कंपनी के लिए. फिर आपने उनसे कहा कि देखो मैं नहीं करूंगा, मुझे 3 करोड़ चाहिए. क्या ये सच है?
I don't remember. I think it was mostly Guneet and her negotiation skills.
अच्छा.
Made things possible.
No. It was, I mean, Guneet was, of course, but Guneet came up with the idea, but then Anurag picked up the phone and said that either you kind of give that song for free, or I'm not coming to shoot for the balance 3-4 days that he had to shoot for this film called Soundtrack or something.
He made them an offer.
Yeah. Refused. Now I remember. That's a film that with Rajiv in it.
Yeah, with Rajiv.
Now I remember. That's a different thing. Yeah. We wanted that song and they wanted me to play myself in that film that Rajiv was doing, which was that remake of All Gone Pete Tong. Something.
Yeah.
So Rajiv was acting in a film where me and Amit Trivedi were supposed to be there, or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. I have to play myself. I said I'll do it, but you have to give me that song. Yes. Okay.
That's how we got the song. Meanwhile, by the way, when we were showing Shaitan to the censors, we were so petrified they're gonna just chop it up. So they had some 50,000 cuts that they told us to do, and I was like, I'm not gonna do this, and I'm gonna submit again. So that censor person told me, you know what? You don't have to cut one single thing. You just need to do one thing for me. I said, what? You need to get Anurag to put a video in the beginning of the film advocating, saying that, say no to drugs. But I want Anurag to say that. So we said, okay.
And I was in Thailand at that time.
Oh my God.
So, yeah, we recorded in Thailand.
I remember I was in Thailand and we had to put a video of it in the beginning of the film. And Vasan Bala flew down to Thailand to shoot that video with me.
But let's go back to 10 years ago. कल की उस time पर क्या जरूरी था शैतान के? Like, why was शैतान important उस वक्त पर तुम्हारे लिए?
क्योंकि मुझे काम चाहिए था. I was just so grateful to get work. I think, I'm still grateful to get work, but at that time it was like beginning of the career, and it's just like you just don't know when the next thing is coming. And I think I was also like spoiled, I got to work with Anurag on my first film. So then, where do you go from there? And then, there was this film Shaitan with a new director, and he was completely crazier than Anurag, and he made this brilliant film. So I think, I think I'm very lucky. Very lucky.
Thank you for that. राजीव, मुझे याद है कि आपने आमिर कर ली थी उससे पहले, और काफी सारी एक्कोलेड्स वगैरह मिल रही थी. तो उस वक्त में, उस दौर में शैतान क्यों करना ठीक लगा आपको?
विजय नाम यार, विजय की वजह से मैंने की थी. एंड I mean, when you look back, आप पीछे मुड़कर देखते हो तो आपको लगता है कि when anyone asks me about शैतान, I always say, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि वो मेरा कन्विक्शन नहीं था स्टार्टिंग में, विजय का कन्विक्शन था कि आपको करनी चाहिए, ये कैरेक्टर आपको करना चाहिए. एंड कुछ चेंजेस किए थे स्क्रिप्ट में. उसके 2-3 ड्राफ्ट बन चुके थे. बहुत पैशनेट है विजय अपने काम को लेकर, तो उसका पैशन हमेशा दिखता था. एंड किया था उस टाइम पे, बिकॉज जब फाइनली विजय और अनुराग दोनों साथ में हो गए तो मुझे लगा कि इट हैज टू बी, आई नो द अनुराग जानते ही मैं, तो हमने कहा यार बहुत सही प्रोजेक्ट है, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. आफ्टर अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कन्विंसिंग फ्रॉम विजय, मतलब, एंड देन वो करने के बाद देन आई कांट टेक द क्रेडिट कि यार मेरा कॉल था वो, मैं इतना समझदार था कि मैंने इस फिल्म को उठा लिया था. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, मतलब you feel lucky कि आपके पास, you're part of such a cult film.
Yeah, बिल्कुल बहुत शुक्रिया.
I remember there was a moment before the first shot, officially the first shot that we took, which is the camera was on Sheetal and Rajiv joins. So Rajiv was standing right behind me, and this is the first shot of the film that we are kind of capturing. And the camera is set, and Sheetal is just getting ready. And I'm about to say action, and that's when me and Rajiv are standing there, and the cupboard in that house just opened. And the cupboard opened, and I just looked in the cupboard, and there was a like a gift kept inside, and it looked very familiar. I kept looking at the gift; it looked very familiar. And then I realized that almost 2 years back, I'd come to meet the owner of this house when I was doing my location recce 2 years back, and I'd gifted him this. It was some Diwali, and that man, the owner of the house, had kept the gift there. So I kept staring at it, and Rajiv said, "Tu kya dekh raha hai?" So I said, "ये मैंने ही दिया था ये gift इसको." So Rajiv said, "मैंने ये 2 साल पहले दिया था." तो Rajiv said, "2 साल पहले तो ये location आके देख गया?" मैंने हाँ. So he said, every film has a destiny, and your journey and your film journey is starting right now. So all the best. I'll never forget that. Like Rajiv just wished me luck, and then he entered the shot. So I remember that moment very well.
How beautiful.
Speaking, बहुत सारे लोग हैं इस फिल्म से जुड़े हुए, लेकिन ये बंदे आज हमारे साथ इस कॉल पर नहीं आ पाए.
Is that me? His face looks a bit like
Raj.
That's
Rajkumar. There's Rajat Barmecha in the.
तो मैं यही कह रही थी कि हाँ, रजत बरमेचा है फिल्म में. उसका एक अलग ही मतलब there's a story there going on which I think was amazing. Yeah, but I want to ask Gulshan, एक ऐसी चीज बताओ इस फिल्म के बारे में. Okay, when people say शैतान, तो मेरे लिए साउंड ट्रैक है, किसी के लिए बहुत ही स्लिकली शॉर्ट पिक्चर है, किसी और के लिए राजीव की एंट्री सीन हो सकती है जहां पर राजीव का POV शॉट चल रहा है जब तक वो बंदा गिर नहीं जाता. तुम्हारे लिए when you say शैतान, what is वो पहली मेमोरी क्या है? लोगों के
पेन, दर्द याद आता है मुझे. बहुत दर्द. एक तो राजकुमार ने थप्पड़ कस के मारे थे मुझे 6, वो दर्द. और दूसरी बात यह है कि तब आई यूज्ड टू बी अ लिटिल बिट लाइक हेवियर, तो मैं बड़ा जिम वगैरह जाता था. एक दिन शूटिंग के बीच में मैं शोल्डर प्रेस मार रहा था, एंड आई ब्लू माय C4 डिस्क. ठीक है, तो मेरा हाथ नहीं उठ रहा था. सो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मतलब पेन किलर्स लेके थ्रू ऑलमोस्ट शुरुआत की थोड़ी 10-12 दिन के बाद में बाकी की फिल्म मैंने पेन में शूट किया था पूरा. और मेरी आवाज चली गई थी. वो बहुत कुछ हुआ था. 2-3 दिन के लिए मेरी आवाज चली गई थी. और एक बहुत ही क्रूशल सा सीन जहां पे मेरा किरदार कल्कि के किरदार से मिलता है, वो झूले पे से बड़े फनी डायलॉग्स थे और मेरी आवाज बिल्कुल चली गई है. पूरा वो डब करना पड़ा. तो आई रिमेम्बर अ लॉट ऑफ पेन और क्लूलेस. मुझे बिल्कुल जो हमारे टॉकी सीन्स थे उसको हमने बहुत रिहर्सल्स किए थे हमने, और साथ में दोस्त भी बन गए थे.
लुकिंग लाइक अ रियल गैंगस्टर.
तो आई वाज क्लूलेस क्योंकि कुछ तो ये था कि विजय कुछ तो ये बनाएगा, लेकिन क्या बनाएगा इसका आइडिया बिल्कुल नहीं था. और एक 30-40% तो फिल्म में हमारे सीन्स तो मॉन्टाज ही थे. हम लोग उधर कूद रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं, पानी में कूद रहे हैं, ऐसे पार्टी कर रहे हैं, स्लो मोशन में मुक्के मार रहे हैं, भूसे खा रहे हैं, लात कर रहे हैं, स्पार्कल्स उड़ा रहे हैं, यही हो रहा था. सो इट वाज मोस्टली अ लॉट ऑफ मॉन्टाज एक्टिंग जैसे एड फिल्मों में होता है. सो मैं तो बिल्कुल क्लूलेस था. आखिर में मतलब पिक्चर देखने के बाद ऐसे डबिंग के दौरान मुझे कुणाल शर्मा जो हमारे जिन्होंने साउंड डिजाइन किया था, उसने कहा कि चलो तेरे को कुछ दिखाता हूँ. तो ऐसे डब के एंड देन ही शोड मी होया चाल का पूरा सीक्वेंस वो कट के साउंड ट्रैक के साथ रेडी था. मेरा माय जॉ वाज हिटिंग द फ्लोर आफ्टर दैट. आई वाज लाइक देन दैट फीलिंग ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट की यार कुछ तो मतलब ये सही चीज है. बहुत सेटिस्फैक्शन हुआ. So that was a great moment for me. लेकिन yeah, lot of pain है.
Guys, oh my God, Vijay, this is so lovely. Thank you.
No, हम लोग ना एक बात बोलूं मैं, हम लोग ना खोया खोया चांद के बारे में बहुत बात करते हैं हम, कुछ आइकॉनिक सीक्वेंस. बट विजय, you remember जब शूट कर रहे थे उसको रूम के अंदर, उस रूम के अंदर सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉप था, वो खटिया. और जब एक्शन सीक्वेंस शूट हो रहा था, मैं बार बार बोल रहा था फाइट मास्टर को भी कि यार ऐसे कैसे मैं अपने आप को खटिया के पीछे बचा सकता हूँ, गोली तो निकल के जाएगी अंदर से. इतना उस टाइम पे एंड आई डिडंट बिलीव इन इट. मैंने कहा नहीं, और इन लोगों का इतना सॉलिड कन्विक्शन था, यू डू इट, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट जा रहा है. आज तक किसी ने क्वेश्चन नहीं किया. मैं क्वेश्चन तब भी करता था, आज भी करता हूँ, अरे तुमको दिखता नहीं है कि वो, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लग रही है गोली.
I knew that Shaitan had become really popular जब I think कुछ 4-5 साल बाद TVF cracked a joke. They were making these spoofs.
There's a
खटिया. Imagine एक डेड बॉडी और नीचे रुई पड़ी है, उसके पीछे मैं छुप के convincingly, but I remember उस room के अंदर और कोई property थी भी नहीं, so we didn't have a choice.
Yeah.
Gangsters.
Yeah, this was.
Sorry, Neil.
No. But that's when I knew. Once people started joking about Shaitan or making spoofs of it, that's when I realized, okay, wow, this beast is really grown. Yeah.
मुझे ये जानना है विजय तुमसे कि ये ओरिजिन स्टोरी कहाँ से आई? क्या न्यूज़पेपर में कोई आर्टिकल थी? क्योंकि उस टाइम पर मुझे याद है इंटरव्यूज में आपने कहा था कि ये आज की कहानी है, लोग रिलेट कर पाएंगे. ऑल्सो द मीडिया सर्कस, आज व्हेन यू लुक बैक यू जस्ट से ओ माय गॉड, ये तो अभी तक हो रहा है. बट उस टाइम पर ये ओरिजिन स्टोरी क्या थी?
It was taken. I mean, the trigger for it was the Adnan Patrawala case. The Adnan Patrawala case was the trigger for the script, and my cousin's son, who was kidnapped by the neighbor's son. That is the Shomu story came from there, because that actually happened.
Oh my God.
My cousin's son was, and I mean, nothing happened. The kid came back safely, but it was the neighbor's son who kidnapped him to buy for the money to buy board papers. So that's how the trigger for the script started. But then, it just kept evolving as we went about it. But the trigger
Truth is stranger than fiction.
And even the German tourist who got killed in a drug raid, that was all again from a Colaba Causeway case. So we picked up a lot of cases from the papers only and integrated them into the script.
Shooting in hard places, मुझे ये याद है क्योंकि ये फिल्म जब हमने टीवी पर भी देखी थी, I mean थिएटर में भी देखी थी 10 साल पहले. I mean, as a Bombay kid, मैं तो बेहद खुश थी कि ये बॉम्बे की कहानी है. And I think due credit needs to be given to the people who actually shot the film. जिन्होंने इस कमाल की फिल्म को, cinematographer, उनको मैं credit देना चाहूंगी. Also the guy who's edited the film. Oh my God! Like, Vijay, इस मौके में please talk to us about the collaborative effort. कुछ ऐसे लोग थे जो आपसे कई senior थे इस team में, जैसे कि प्रसाद साहब. But tell us about getting those people together, no?
So, Sekhar sir has been a mentor for me even when I was doing my short films. He used to really give me a lot of pointers when I was doing it. So to ask him to edit my film was like a big ask, and he agreed immediately. He was so sweet about it. So it was like I was quite tense that he would not want to do something like this. But I think he was such a big asset to the film. So was Madhi. Yeah. Madhi, again, I think he's like the co-director of the film. He lends the film in such a beautiful way. Even today, I find it that after so many years also, it still is not jaded because of the kind of vision he had for the film. And the kind of, he really went out of his way to design and for specific sequences, designed the gear for it, he designed the lighting for it, all way well in advance. And I had such a fabulous time.
Joy, there were times when you used five cameras. Maximum कितने use किए थे कभी?
I think it was for the some of the action sequences we had shot with almost 3 to 4 cameras we had shot.
Yeah,
it was unheard of that time.
Fantastic. This is
the next day Gunit shut the shoot down. Next day.
Wasn't Shaitan also one of the first few to be sync sound?
नहीं वाइस कैम यूज किया था हमने वाइस कैम.
It was the first time, it was the first digital film, by the way. It was the first film to be shot on red, because until then only a Bengali film had been shot fully on red, and the first Hindi film to be shot fully on red digital camera. And of course Vice Cam, nobody had used that until
Vice Cam, nobody, and later Phantom, nobody had even used a Phantom cam.
They used to use it for commercials, never for films.
Yeah, not on film. That's another story. Remember 1,000 frames we shot, and then it's like, why isn't this picture moving?
नहीं कहता बॉडी कैम एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. मतलब हर सीक्वेंस में दौड़ा क्या. रिमेंबर वो राजकुमार के पीछे मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ होली वाली सीक्वेंस, सॉरी पिंटिया वाले गाने के अंदर पूरा बॉडी कैम लगा और आप दौड़ रहे हो उसके अंदर आगे. स्पेशली व्हेन आई कम इन, दैट वाज अगेन ऑल दीस थिंग्स. उस टाइम पे बहुत न्यू था ये सब कुछ, इन सब के साथ में खेलना. और and very difficult situations.
Neil kisses me. There was a patila, and I think the patile में उन्होंने कैमरा रख दिया था, टेप लगा के, and they were moving the patila like this, and they had cut up a Bisleri bottle into half, and I was like, yeah, this is some real next level shit going on in this film.
Again, all Madhi actually designed all that. Madhi helped me design. I could just tell him that's what. Remember the bat? He did the bat.
Yeah, I remember that shot. Yeah.
Rock posters.
Oh wow! Posters.
Again, designed by. Prashant designed these.
No, send us. We can share these. No?
Prashant designed all of these. Apart from being the music composer, he designed all these posters.
Oh wow,
that's very cool.
Too good. अनुराग, I'm going to ask you to tell us, यार उस दौर में ये फिल्म जो थी, I remember when we were promoting the film, आपने एक बहुत ही कमाल की चीज कही थी, there are a lot of people who have said कि कितनी बजट्स होती है फिल्मों की, you know, इतने सारे फिल्में बनती है, इतने पैसे लगते हैं, लेकिन इस फिल्म के साथ I want to prove कि एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने के लिए आपको उतने पैसों की जरूरत नहीं है. तो can you look back today and tell me how is it possible कि हम शैतान जैसी फिल्म बनाएं, या ये कैसे बनी?
अनम्यूट कर लो मेरे बाप.
It always comes from the filmmaker. This is like Bijoy, or a lot of us, we were all like outsiders in the industry. We were all wanting to tell different stories. We grew up watching all kinds of cinema. We had all kinds of influences. The first thing we knew is हमें film बनानी है, पैसे कोई नहीं देगा. Filmmaking is a whole filmmaking. The thing about filmmaking is it's the only art form that costs a lot of money, has always somebody else's money. You know, and that is where getting out to make a film where you're breaking every norm. People who are like, how this industry sees people, कि ये वो film नहीं चलती, कितना भी अच्छा actor उसको declare हो जाता है, ये नहीं चलता. I've been through the phase where I was the manhoosh director because my films were banned.
Yeah.
So I've walked into offices where people will say, क्या movie बनाई Black Friday, हमने pirated DVD पे देखा, आप कितने अच्छे director हो, लेकिन ना आप शनि की परिक्रमा करो. See, so when you go through things like that in this industry and you realize you will forever remain that outsider. Like my daughter probably would be the insider, but she doesn't want to be part of the industry.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you know, you will forever remain the outsider, and because of, not just because of where we come from, because of our ideas, because how we look at cinema. Because first thing is, we are not catering to a set sense of audience. We are not catering to a box office.
Yeah.
So for a Bijoy, I was not supposed to be the producer on the film. Reached a point where nobody was making the film, and Bijoy was also had reached a point where कि यार मेरे पास कोई option नहीं, मैं drop कर दूँ picture. And I had found out through Kalki at that time that पता नहीं कुछ तो हो रहा है, picture बने ना बने. It was at that stage. So I sent out a message saying that boss, picture को मत रोक, मैं हूँ. Because I'd heard from it, and that's how it happened. Because I've been in that place many a times, and I know as a director, I hate my producers coming on my set. I hate people telling me how to make a film and what film to make.
Yeah.
And Bijoy is not any different from me. Actually, he was one step worse than me. So the thing is like how I told once long back, I remember Vikram Motwani had come to me to help him write Udaan.
Yeah.
And Vikram is extremely temperamental, and I sat down and wrote Udaan ka script with him and dialogues in 2005. I said, why are you getting this script written? Because nobody will produce your film. It will only get produced if I by chance become a producer and I'm an unreleased filmmaker. Vikram laughed, and it happened the same way. 5 years later, nobody touched that film. I became a producer and the film got made. So we were people of our own sensibility, and we had not come here to make an empire. I didn't want to become a YRF. I just wanted to facilitate other filmmakers to become filmmakers and make their films. So, and one thing was very clear. Nobody wants us to make a film. Nobody will give us the money. This is all we have. Bana lega, bana lunga. And that's why his filmmaking. You see his company ka logo.
It's Getaway.
Getaway films. Yeah, company logo says exactly how the films are made.
Short मिला क्या? मुझे याद है. Short मिला क्या?
But that's exactly how it is.
Yeah.
We have no other option, in the sense we cannot wait for the perfect shot. I don't plan my things like ये perfect shot मिलेगा और यही चाहिए. जो मिलेगा उसमें मैं फिल्म बनाऊंगा अपना. That's how we make it. आज भी ऐसे ही है. It's the same today.
Yeah.
Exactly. आज भी ऐसी है.
आज भी ऐसे ही है. मुझे याद है, I think there could be truth in this. Bijoy, आप बताइए कि फिल्म का नाम पहले स्पाइरल था, क्या ये कभी भी ऐसे शैतान स्पाइरल था क्या?
There was the English draft when I was writing it like a crossover film. So the first working title was Spiral, yes.
Spiral, yeah.
But
yeah.
Once we adapted into Hindi, Shaitan was the title.
I want to also thank Gulshan because Gulshan ने ये कीड़ा जो है शुरू किया कुछ दिन पहले और मुझे एक कॉल किया और कहा कि यार शैतान के 10 साल कंप्लीट हो रहे. मैं तो पहले मेरा रिएक्शन था कि 10 साल हो गए. I couldn't believe it. But thank you Gulshan for bringing us together. More
मैंने ऐसे पूछा
अच्छा, और गुलशन 10 साल बाद भी करो ये, हाँ?
Of course, routine.
20 साल का भी करेंगे, 25 साल का सिल्वर जुबली बनाएंगे.
So Gulu, thank you so much for being the first.
Stop thanking me, everybody. This is like this.
Prashant, thank you because you
I'm just happy all of us. हम सब लोग साथ ऐसे इकट्ठे.
Kalki, who is right now not in the country, but you know, thank you for giving us this time. And I just want to say thank you to Shiv as well as Neil. Anurag, I know you've not been well, and I was a little trepidant before I called you, before I messaged you.
I go in and out because I keep doing my thing, so it's okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. And most of all, Bijoy, I think आज सब यहाँ आए हैं, you know, because you know ये आपकी film है, तो बहुत
Bijoy.
Yeah, thank you for giving.
Thank you so much for organizing this. Thank you so much for making this happen.
Rohini.
Really, very sweet of you.
Thank you so much, guys.